Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I finally found an efficient way to store our dog food. This here is a pet food storage container. It's from Gamma2 Vittles Vaults. What really drew me to this brand is they offered large capacity sizes. So this one that I got is 50 pounds. Normally, we do purchase our dog food in 50-pound increments, although this time it just happened to be 20 pounds, but you can see how much storage you have left. Prior to this, we'd have to just dump half the bag and then store a bag in one spot and a container in another, which was really not convenient. So now when I buy those larger bags, I can fit all of the dog food in here. The lid screws on, it keeps the dog food fresh, and it also keeps your pet out of it. One thing I thought was unique is on the top, they provide you with a dry erase sticker so you can label it if you choose to. You have these nice handles on the side that make it easy to carry around if needed. So if you're looking for an efficient way to store your pet's food and keep it fresh, Gamma2 offers these containers in various sizes from 15 all the way up to 80 pounds. So you can not only store just part of your pet's food, but all of it. And that's my point of view.